on the runway, silver birds in perfect lines. Every window holds a story, every heart a different sky. Little hands on the glass now, tracing clouds as we rise, leaving footprints in the sunrise. On the edge of new life, we rise as memories, higher than we've ever known. Across the oceans, every journey feels like home. From desert gold to distant shining shores, every mile, every smile opens up the world once more. We rise with every race, together we explore. Laughter in a dozen languages, soft hello, a gentle smile, strangers turning into neighbors, sharing daylight for a while. Maps become a painted canvas, lines of light from coast to coast. Every seed a small adventure, every takeoff hope. We rise with memories, higher than we've ever known. Across the oceans, every journey feels like home. From desert gold to distant shining shores, every mile, every smile opens up the world once more. We rise with every race, together we Morning sun on silver wings, quiet gate, my heart begins. Tiny lights across the land, new horizons in my hands. Every color, every face, all our stories share this space. I close my eyes, I feel it start, a gentle rising in my heart. Take me higher, Singapore, where the sky feels like the shore, where the world comes into view, and the journey finds me new. Every mile, touch of grace, every smile, a softer place. In the clouds I understand, I belong here, skyline in my hands. Softly spoken, kind eyes meet, call my name and save my seat. Warmth that finds me where I am, like I'm part of somewhere grand. Every moment, every care, folded into lighter air. I breathe it in, my worries fall, I feel held above it all. Take me higher, Singapore, where the sky feels like the shore, where the world comes into view, and the journey finds me new. Every mile, touch of grace, every smile, a softer place. In the clouds I understand, I belong here, skyline in my hands, skyline in my hands. From island lights to distant snow, every path says come and grow. Here together side by side, hearts in motion as we glide. Take me higher, Singapore, where the sky feels like the shore, where the world comes into view, and the journey finds me new.